Hey guys, Blackjack here, and in this video we are doing a office tour. So let's get straight into it. This PC here is my main gaming machine. It has got an AMD FX 8350, 16GB of RAM, 120GB SSD, a 1TB and a 500GB hard drive, and a GeForce 1050 Ti graphics in it. I know it's not the most powerful PC, but it's powerful enough to run the games that I run. On top of this, here, as you can see, there's a HD 60S Elgato HD 60S capture card, USB 3 capture card, which is going to my streaming PC, and also a 1TB external hard drive, which I back up all my video files to, or one of them anyway, one of the locations. Attached to this PC is this here, which is a Blue Yeti X microphone. Very good microphone, I really like it. It's expensive, but it's top quality. And this beam arm type thing I got for the microphone, I got second hand from a second hand shop. I did find it. I was looking for a beam arm. I've had the beam arms which can attach to your desks before, and all of them was broken. This one cost me £15 from a second hand shop, and it's working perfectly fine. The keyboard for my main PC, which is this here, is a Steel Series Apex. I've had it for about 5 years now. Absolutely love it. Can't recommend it enough. But I don't think you can get this one anymore, as I've updated it to mechanical. This is a membrane keyboard. My mouse is a Razer Blackadder Elite mouse. I got this for my Christmas present, I think, off my girlfriend. Really like it, can't complain. This is a USB light and a beam arm. I control it from there, so that's pretty good. And this is my main webcam, which is a Logitech C920. I don't think you really need a webcam, and a very expensive webcam, because at the end of the day, the screen, your webcam screen on your stream is very small. I've got just a basic pair of Logitech speakers attached to my main PC, and this is my main monitor. It's an Acer. I don't know what model it is, it's just an Acer, but it's HD. That's all it is. It's just a basic HD Acer monitor. Google Home, and this is a basic Dell monitor which is attached to my streaming PC, which I'll show you in a minute. On the desk, let's have a quick peekies. We've got this here, which is an Elgato Stream Deck, and this is my main tablet. It is a Samsung 10.1 2019. I read the news on it, monitor my stream on it, stuff like that. It's good enough what I need it for. It's from the Android 9, it's meant to be getting Android 10 soon. Underneath the desk here, if you can see it, I don't know whether you can see it or not, is my actual streaming PC. Now I got this second hand. It is Core i5 7400, 16GB of RAM, a 2TB hard drive, and a 256 gig M.2 SSD, and a GeForce 730 GT 730. Now I mainly use that for streaming, and it is also my Plex server. Attached to that as well is, I don't know if you can see it or not, is this thing here. This black box here. It is a drawable. It's got 10TB of hard drive space in it, 6.4 usable hard drive space in it, SOWD red inside. So that's my main storage, so everything gets onto there and then backed up onto external hard drives and stuff like that. And next to that is this thing here. It is a Synology DS115J. It's mainly used to back up my music and photos and Google Drive, and attached to that is a 1TB hard drive, which just backs itself to that every day automatically. And this is the keyboard for my streaming PC. It's just a basic Microsoft one. And this is my old mouse. It's a Mad Catz about 3. It's getting too old, it was falling to pieces, so I've got the Razor Death Adder, so put this on my streaming PC. And up here is my old webcam I'm using for the shots, which you can see might be right back screen and stuff like that. And underneath there, as you can see, is a LED light which goes onto the wall, which illuminates the Union Jack, because I am British. And my chair I got from Amazon. It should have been £200 and I got it for something like 70. It was refurbished, so I can't complain about that. And that is a tour of my office. So this is Blackjack and my cat signing off.